Hi guys, look what I got in the mail today, a Toshiba Satellite P300. Now here's a fun little story. I used to own the exact same laptop about 10 years ago. I finished my education with this beast. Well, back then it was a beast. On the left we got VGA, HDMI, LAN, 2 USB ports and a Firewire port. On the right side we got 2 USB ports, a modem port, a DVD writer, your power plug and a Kensington lock. Now I received this laptop without any hard drive in it, so there's room for 2 hard drives. So I put an SSD in it with Windows 10 and a second hard disk, just for fun, and it works fine. So what can you do with a laptop that's 10 years old? Well, the screen quality is good enough if you sit in front of it. Movie-wise it's fun. The speakers are amazing and I think they're the best you can get for a laptop. I don't know how to pronounce the brand of the speakers in English, but we call it Harman Kardon. I think if I tried Herman Gurdon, Murder Freddy? Well, we call it Harman Kardon. Now with an SSD it boots in 35 seconds. So you can turn this black beauty on a birthday party and just put on a music playlist. The sound is amazing. You can run the Toshiba Satellite also as a backup machine because it has 2 hard drive slots. The only thing is, I worked most of my life with Toshiba Satellite laptops and there's always been one problem. They get hot fast. So an external laptop cooler will do the trick, but it's a hassle if you want to move around with it. But I still love this thing and as always I will find someone who can use this old but awesome laptop. Fuck off, Edge, I just need YouTube. Now let's hear those speakers. Ooh, Green Day. Yes, let's put on some Green Day. No, thank you.
Summer has come and passed. The innocent can
Never last. Wake me up when September ends. Well, that's it for the Toshiba Satellite P300. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.